Rank Math SEO Pro versus Yoast SEO Plugin, the Pro version. In terms of search engine optimization, these are two of the most popular plugins for WordPress. Yoast SEO, Rank Math SEO. There are others as well. So if you're comparing both plugins thinking, okay, which one should I go for? It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter whether you use Rank Math or Yoast SEO plugin. Yoast SEO plugin gives you additional options such as redirection, but because you're using WordPress, there are many plugins you can use for free for redirecting different parts of your website. Yoast SEO Pro version also gives you some useless SEO apps or features such as workouts, SEO workouts. The only thing you should be working out to grow your business website is content, as in work on your content. Don't let plugins for search engine optimization confuse you about what search engine optimization really is. So to keep this video short, whether using Rank Math or Yoast SEO Plugin Pro version, keep your money in your pocket. SEO isn't what these plugins tell you to do. All you need to do is create helpful, reliable, people-first content on a website that's user-friendly, mobile-ready, and just ensure that you have the title and meta description in place. Don't go analyzing search engine optimization of your website using Rank Math SEO plugin or Yoast SEO plugin. Don't let them count links or suggest keywords and all that, because then you'll be missing the point in terms of Google rankings and search engine optimization. Now, having said that, because there's so many people that use plugins like that, think that, oh, just because they use the plugins, it's helping them to get better results in Google search. Unless you know exactly how to use those plugins and disable most of the features the plugins share with you, then you won't get anywhere in 2025. As I've said, focus on content and follow the basics of Google search engine optimization guidelines, including the fundamentals and the starter guide. It tells you what to focus on. Search engine optimization has two sides. One is the basics that any website owner can do. Basically create the content that's created for people and make it easy for people to consume your content and make search engines better understand different parts of your WordPress site, whether you're using WooCommerce or a local business website. As in, let's imagine you're a local business operator, then the URLs are important, and all that is highlighted in the help section of Google. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.